Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope you all had a wonderful day yesterday. I hope you were able to make it through the work. I know it was a little bit extra yesterday, being that the morning warm up was longer, but I hope that it was helpful for you. Today's morning warm up is shorter. We dropped it down to about 8 minutes, and as the week progresses, it gets even shorter and shorter, and it finally makes it to around the 5 to 6 minute range, which it's supposed to be. So, next week, when we kind of repeat these skills, they will go much quicker. I just wanted to make sure that it was being taught to you correctly. So today you are going to be seeing in your work a long vowel PowerPoint, only you're not actually looking for a PowerPoint or a PDF. It's in the form of a video. So I mentioned this to you yesterday. What I did was I brought up the PowerPoint on my screen, and then you will see me in the little corner of your screen on the video teaching you the lesson. So this would be a great resource if your kiddo is struggling to understand long vowels. This would be a great resource to go back to. I can continue to provide you with this link should you need it. But that will be if you're looking in the work and you're like, I don't see a PowerPoint or a PDF. It's in the form of a YouTube link. So make sure you are looking for that. I don't think that I have much of anything else to share with you today. I am so happy to hear that you guys are continuing to love the chick videos. I've been sharing that with Mrs. Aspen Martin, and she loves hearing all of your comments and feedback as well. And your math numbers were looking awesome yesterday. Today you are going to be writing your numbers from 1 to 20 again. Only this time you're going to be practicing with counting on. So it's called Choo Choo, counting to 20, because it's little trains. So the first set, I believe, you'll do the number 1 is given to you, and then you'll follow with those numbers. Then when you get to the next row, let's say the first train is a number 5, I would really like you to practice starting at 5 instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would really like you to start at 5 and count on, which is something we practice in class a lot. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or say the number they give you is 12. Instead of going from 1 to 12, I would like you to start at 12 and then count on 12, 13, 14, 15. That's going to be a skill that we are practicing a lot in this unit. And when we move our way to a hundreds chart, which is actually coming tomorrow, when we move to a hundreds chart, we're going to be practicing a lot with starting at a random number and counting our way on to get to 100. So tomorrow is just going to kind of be an introduction of the hundreds chart. Tomorrow is Earth Day, and I briefly mentioned that to you yesterday, that I kind of reworked the calendar this week to incorporate some Earth Day activities on Wednesday. So there will be a lot more learning to come about Earth Day, but to prepare us, today's question of the day goes along with that theme. And today's question is, do you recycle, or have you ever recycled at home? So recycling, if you're wondering, you're like, well, what does that mean? When we talk about Earth Day, we talk a lot about reduce, reuse, and recycle. So recycle are things that we can throw away, usually in a special type of container. If you have garbage cans at your house, normally you could have a regular one, and you can have a recycle bin also, and maybe you have a grass container maybe. So it's important that we keep our trash separated so that it can go to the correct location. So if we are recycling, those are things like paper or cardboard or plastic bottles or glass. There's lots of different things that you can recycle. So again, more learning to come on that tomorrow. But I want you to think about if you have ever recycled anything, and you're going to answer in a complete sentence, either yes, I have recycled, or no, I have never recycled. So let me know in the description or in the comment section on Class Dojo if you have ever recycled before. I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. As always, I am here to support you. And thank you again, parents, so very much for all of your support. Bye, everyone.